Good day, everyone. Learn how to create QR code for Google Form. So I'll quickly open the Google Form, and here, once you have published, ready to go, then you will find the copy responder link. You just need to copy it, and if you're doing it in Google, well and good. If you are not using the Google Chrome, then just copy the link of this form once it is published. Then go to the Google Chrome, paste the link right there, and hit enter. And in this manner, it will be opened in the Google Chrome. And then we need to do a right click, and now it says create QR code for this page. It is absolutely one of the easiest way to create the QR code. So I'll select QR code, create QR code, and I just have to click on download. And you can see the QR code has been downloaded, and now you can send this QR code for your Google form. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Take care. Bye-bye.